I feel like a first kiss, can't miss, kid in the candy store.
Happy birthday, Grayson. Sana lumaki kang maayos at malusog na bata na mana kay tito. At sana paglaki mo ay matupad mo ang iyong mga ninanais sa buhay, mga mithiin mo. Sana ay mapagtagumpayan mo. Palagi mong tandaan na andito lamang ako palagi sa iyo para gabayan ka, alagaan at alalayan. Lagi mong tandaan na mahal ka ni tito.
Happy birthday, baby Grayson. Alam mo naman na love ka ni Mamo. Sana lagi kang healthy, lagi kang maging masaya, lagi maging mabuti kang bata. Paglaki mo, love ka ni Mamo.
I feel like a sunset paycheck, just won the lottery. Feeling like a big star, new car, highway robbery.
Ako, happy birthday. Happy first birthday sa'yo. I wish all the best for you. Naway, pagkalupad ka ng masukalusugan, malakas at masukap ang natawan. May God you all the happiness you deserve as a child. I hope you will be a good boy and good grandson for me. I love you so much, my dear Apo. Again, happy birthday.
It feels good to be me.
Grayson, happy birthday. Ikaw ay lumaki ng mabait at masunod sa iyong magulang. Hari na may lagi kang malusog na bata. Huwag mo na sakit.
Happy birthday! Tandaan mo na, okay na yung bakit na mag-birthday ka. Sana lumaki ka ng magiging bata. Happy birthday! Love ka namin. And marami kang dance. Love you. Ikaw lang yung pagmamalaki ko sa buong buhay. Mahal na mahal ka ni Mami. Lumaki ka ng mahal. May takot ka doon. Magalang, mapagmahal. Salamat sa pagpapasaya lagi sa amin. Mahal na mahal ka. Happy birthday!
Breathe it in and out. Let me tell you. You my little boo thing, so I'll give a hoot what you do. Say, girl, I know you a little too tame. I'll be shooting that shot like 2K, girl, I know. Tell 'em wood in the teeth and the fit good, so I took the doors out the Jeep. Okay, I see a brother holding your seat, no beef, but I'm trying to get to know you at least. Don't take my talking to your own. I can keep it chill like the Soviet blunt. I'ma keep it real when your man long gone. If you're looking for a friend, then you got the wrong song. Baby girl, what's good? What's with ya? If you book tonight, that's fiction.